Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle, and today we're going to look at this beauty behind me. It's a 2009 Pleasure Way Plateau TS. So this 09 Pleasure Way is powered by a Mercedes engine diesel engine. It's got 154 horsepower, and it's on the Dodge Sprinter chassis. So a 3500 chassis, it's about 23 feet long. It's a pretty well-built unit, as most of these Canadian units are. We're gonna give it a good walk around, check out all the exterior features and interior features, and then, you know, we'll see what you guys think of it. So we're gonna, since we're already in the back here, let's start in the back. So there is minimal compartments, as most Class Bs usually have. You do have a couple little bumpers for the doors. The tires, they look pretty new. Let's see if we can find a date code on them. Wow, we can. That's fantastic. Let's see, they are 215/85 R16s, but I don't see a code, so we'll find that here soon. Got the back of the fridge, back of the furnace, 6-gallon water heater, 30 amp power service, cable TV connection, city water, and you got an LP switch on and off, outdoor shower, and then your dump right here is the only kind of open compartment down below. Now this is pre-diesel exhaust fluid, being an 09, so you don't need to worry about that. And it looks like we got some different tires, because these are Michelins up here, so these are dated 21-21. All right, good. Those are brand new, pretty much. Now, it has every option available this coach does have, including the 13-foot awning up there. It is a manual awning. It was pretty windy earlier. Now it's not that windy, but that's why I don't have it out. All right, same 21 on that date code too. Just want to make sure. You got your portable water connection right there, and then you got a couple outlets right there. All right. You know, I'm not positive about the Cooper Discoveries. They got a good amount of tread left. They got the nubs on them. I'm not sure how old they are though, but they don't look old. All right, enough of the outside. Let's jump in. Nice little limousine side style door, and then there's the way you see right when we walk in. Got the AC blasting in here because it's 110 in Tucson. Wet bath right there. We'll see it in a second. And then here's the front. Let me shut this door and we'll continue on. All right, got the door closed. I think we had 87,000 miles, something like that. 86,801. And there's a good strong startup right there. All right. Dash, very, very similar to a 3500 chassis. You do have the nice little carpet down below to help with some of the dirt you track in. Do have a little bit of easy reading material. There is seat covers. They don't seem to be in terrible condition. And even the side are kind of hard. Let's just pull that off. Side handles actually look pretty good too. So they actually kept the seats in good condition. Let's see on the corners of the driver. Yeah, actually not too bad. Very nice. All right, so continuing on, you may hear a little bit of the AC air coming at me. So we got a rear couch bed, and it's of course got a place for a little dinette area. Kitchen all on the left side, minus the fridge and microwave, which is located right there. We have a wardrobe that's been kind of converted to more storage, and then the wet bath. There's some nice mirrors right here if you want to look at yourself. The wet bath, surprisingly enough, isn't too bad. You have a decent amount of room in front of the toilet, porcelain toilet, and honestly, I mean, a good amount of headroom. Gotta fix that light. And actually, a real medicine cabinet in here too. Little baby sink, and then, I mean, I guess, you know, water pump, a little bit of storage there on the left side. That's one thing about these wet baths and Class Bs. The TP storage is tough to come by. All right, so we're gonna just keep running on the driver's side. We do have a fantastic fan right above us. CO2 detector, water heater on and off. See that? 45 hours on the genset. It is a 2500 LP. And then we got your level testers, all that fun stuff. It's gonna be hard to show you this behind this door. But you can see, like I said, wardrobe kind of converted into drawer storage. That's interesting. You probably keep all those in place, I would assume. And then down below, furnace, saw that exhaust earlier, and then the water heater. Norcold fridge and freezer. It's full size, which is kind of nice. Not one of those dorm room fridges. And it is a convection microwave. As you can see, a little bit smaller one, but still a convection. And moving on back, look at the passenger side now. Mainly storage, got your sink and your stovetop here. We got 4 drawers. They don't go super deep, but this bottom one is actually not a drawer, but it actually has storage in there. See that CO2 detector? Nice little wavy style doors too. Gives it a little bit more of a premium finish. And honestly, all these super solid doors, just like that Regency we shot the other day. Very well built coach, especially in 09. Single sink, 2 burner stovetop right there. And then, see if we can give you a halfway decent angle. There's some storage below there, and I can't remember, do we have storage here? We did have storage here. Very, very nice. All right, the last part about your storage is going to be this whole upper area. So you got 4 compartments here, 1 big one in the back, 2 on the right side. They're all about the same size except for the rear one, which I'll show you that one right now. That one goes left and right. And then the 2 above are just like the front ones. So that's the main thing with your storage. We do also have added drawers, very cool. Put some plates in there, put some napkins, put some plastic silverware, who knows, but it's great. There is also a little pop-up leaf. If we move this here cushion, there you go, you got that leaf. Now trying to put this down with one hand, oh, that's gonna prove to be oh, I got it, we're good. These seats right here, this is technically part of the bed. Under the seats though, very, very solid piece of wood, and you can see these little kind of pieces that keep it in place, which is nice. Now trying to put this back with one hand, oh, not too bad actually. But very solid, very comfortable, and they stay in place. So, the rear bed, technically a king bed when you set it up. Got a little area for a table. I had that set up for my shorts earlier. Let me show you how this bed works. So, entertainment center, a little TV, DVD player, TV on and off. You can move the couch forward and back and then lay it down. So we'll go forward and back first. So that's pretty cool. Goes all the way to there. Push it back just a hair to get this down. And then push the other button to lay it flat. And there you go. And you can push it back and forward just a couple inches if you need that additional space, but very, very nice. You could also use one of the tables to fill the void right here and use these cushions. That's why they got that solid piece of wood in them, so you can use them as additional length sleeping area. I would never need it. I'm way too damn short to even use this. What are you gonna do? Now we do have a thermostat in here, which was one of the options. Ceiling light with a dimmer, and then TV lights with a dimmer. And honestly, you know, that's about it on the walkthrough, minus, of course, my printouts. So, we are selling this 2009 Pleasure Way Plateau TS for 65 grand. As you can see right there, there's some of the basic specs and your more technical specifications and the floor plan if you want to see that. And finally, all the other specs, options on the right, literally every option it has. I highlighted some of the important stuff, king bed, sizes of the tanks, all that good jib jab. Thank you so much for viewing, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. This coach is currently for sale in Tucson, Arizona at Padada RV Center. My name's Taylor. I'm one of the sales guys here. I'd love to help you out. If you have any questions on it, give me a call, shoot me a text. All my contact info will be on the screen. Thank you so much for viewing, and I hope you guys have a great day.